It's the Nish and Shinji show today. Hey, welcome back to my channel where I don't know what I do. Do I sew? Do I DIY? I do it all, I think. We'll just do anything we want here. So, I'm making a video, as some of you might not know, which I assume most of you don't, because it's my personal life. I work as a social media marketing person. And they've gotten me to make a video about how to make a hanging clothes rack, which is perfect because I need to make one of these for my clothing market store. I have a lot of jobs. So I'm going to show everyone how to make these super easy DIY hanging clothes racks. They're so simple to make. I just went down to my local hardware shop to grab all the materials. Everything, like I said, is so cheap. I grabbed this white curtain rod, and you'll need some rope as well to hang it. So you can choose any of this. You can choose some chains. I personally like the chain look a lot better than the ropes, but you know, whatever you want to do. Then I grabbed some super duper glue. Look at this. This is the good stuff. And some hooks as well. My hardware shop had all these like colorful ones, which was amazing. I'm just living my best rainbow life here. So many. I love. I chose the chain to have as my hanging situation. I like the way it looks. It suits my style a lot. So we're going to be using super glue, which is why I'm putting these gloves on. Oh. I got some super glue. It holds up to 75 kilos. So we're just going to be putting super glue at the end right here. Just put it everywhere. Oh yeah. Really get a nice thick coat. This stuff dries clear as well, so don't worry about if it's too messy. Yeah, she's looking good. Now we're just going to get this. And all you have to do is wrap it around. Here's where it gets a little messy. Wow, I'm glad I put gloves on. And we're just gonna hold it. So I actually got this idea when I was at the markets, doing the markets last for my clothing. I was walking around and seeing what everyone else had. Most people had these like really bulky clothes racks that we just don't have the room in my car to bring, really. And I was sort of freaking out because I was like, where am I going to get these clothes racks from? And I saw this one store that had these hanging ones just off the top of the roof of the marquee. And I was like, that's genius. Where can I buy some? And I was looking at it and I was like, hold up. I could just make that. Uh-oh. It was that moment that I realized I had to go the fuck outside. So just repeat that on the other side as well, and then I just left mine in the sun to bake. Look at that, they got a little tan there. Because this is for the market, the size wasn't big enough to hook around, so that's why I need to add these hooks. But if you're just using this for home, then just using the size of the hole here should be big enough to go in a ceiling hook. Super cute DIY for you to do for super cheap as well, probably cheaper than the shops sell clothes racks anyway, and it looks adorable, and it's super easy and portable. I'm going to be doing more DIYs. I really want to transform my sewing room into something. I got some ideas. So I want to do that, follow this journey for DIYs, sewing challenges, just whatever the fuck's happening really. Who knows? I don't know what I'm doing. This is what all of my YouTube videos consist of. Me just not knowing what's happening.
Okay.
Subscribe for more DIYs, more sewing challenges, more just everything, really. We do everything here. We're like Walmart, except Australia doesn't have Walmart. We're like Kmart. That's more like it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Fuck, I always do Simply Nailogical's ending. Whatever, bye!